Displaying multiple digital products to sell on System.io is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your System.io account. Go to System.io and log in with your credentials. Create digital products. Navigate to the Products tab from the main dashboard. Click Create a Product to add your digital product. Choose Digital Product, then enter product details such as name, description, price, and delivery method. Repeat this process to add multiple products. Set up a sales funnel. Go to the funnel section and create a sales funnel for each product or a single funnel to display all your products. In each funnel, add pages like Sales Page, Order Form, and Thank You page. On the sales page, list the multiple digital products you are offering with descriptions, images, and add to cart buttons linked to their respective order forms. Use product catalogs. You can create a catalog page that features all your digital products, allowing customers to browse and purchase from one place. Payment integration. Connect your payment processor to enable secure payments for your products. Publish your funnel. Once everything is set up, publish your funnel and start promoting your digital products.